Hi guys, today I'm gonna win 3 times. I'm going to get 3 win streak. Watch me, okay? First, you need to jump on the yummy water. Second, you need to. Why am I saying that? I'm sorry, y'all. My bad. Hey, yo, what is he saying? Nah. I was just joking. I'm not gonna report. I believe I can die. No, I'm going to. Oh. Bye bye. Someone just died. And there. Yo, what do we need to do? Yo, NPC. Do you know what do we need to do? NPC. Roblox. What is this? HQ. Nah, bro. Let's go. Underground bunker. I'm playing Roblox on this computer. Actually, yo, what the hell is this? What the hell is going on? Yo, yo, what the hell is this? Yo! If you watch this, don't comment that I'm a bozo. Don't comment that. Don't comment that. What the hell? No, why am I in here? What the hell, boy? Over here. Yuppie. 300 Robux, hell no. No. What's that? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Bro, what the heck? Bro, what the heck? Finally. Let me comment something. So. Why am I flying? Are they our bots? What the heck are they doing? Finally. There are no survivors. No! What is he doing? Hey, yo. Why? I'm a happy cat. Over there is a happy cat. Happy cat, happy cat. Yo, what? Bro, do you wanna... Why is he like that? Stay away from me. Keep range from the fire. The fire is coming. There's me. The fire. Warning, warning. Here. Oh, hello there. Oh my god, I'm survived. I'm alive. I'm alive. Yuppie. Yo, what the heck? What the heck? How am I? Yo, what the heck? Nah. What just happened? Nah. What the heck just happened? What the heck just happened? No way. You gotta see this. No way, bro. What just happened? What is going to be? Is that a storm? Oh, it's just... What do I need to do? Let's go on the ground bunker and play Roblox. Actually, please subscribe and like to my channel, guys. I'm the real Sigma here. I'm the real Sigma. Comment down below if I'm a Sigma. No, what the hell? Find us and stay warmer. What does this mean? Yo, what the heck is this? Guys, what the heck? I'm going to be here for the rift. Why am I dying? Why am I dying? Why am I dying? Yo, what the heck? Windshield, sure. Oh my god, I need to. Where do I need to go, guys? No, I need to go over here. Yeah, guys, I need to go over here. No, what do I need to, bro? No, I'm dying. No. I need to find a warmer place. Where the heck is that? Guys. No! No! Please, guys. Don't die. I'm about to die, guys. Please like and subscribe if I'm going to win this. Oh my god, I'm in here. If this will broken, I'm going to die, y'all. Am I only a one? Oh my god, I'm so. Oh my god, nah. I just win this. Nah, this was so hard. Nah, please don't be again like this. I don't wanna survive with 1 HP. Nah, guys. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy work. And actually, today is my sister's birthday. Comment down below happy birthday to my Tatiana. Why am I still half HP? Why am I still dead? No way I'm going to die, please. If I die, I'm gonna what the heck just happened? Yo guys. No! Oh my god, I think that I died. Oh my god. Bro. No. Go down. I can die here. I'm gonna be here. What? Get away from the volcano? Is it oh my god, volcano? Oh hell nah. Where do I need to go, bro? I'm half HP, yo. Yo, where do I need to go? I need to go from under the sky. Tacos! It's raining tacos. From under the sky. Tacos. Oh my god, it's going to be broken. Tacos. You don't be. Oh my god! I almost died to this. From out of the sky, tacos. You don't be asked why. Just open your mouth. Oh my god. And close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Yum, yum, yummy, yummy, yum. It's raining cheese. No, please, no. Oh my god, I almost died. Tacos, you don't be asked why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummy, yum. It's raining cheese. Yum, 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 yummy, yum. It's raining me. Yo, I almost died. Oh my god. From out of the sky, tacos. What just happened? I'm alive! When talking. Yuppie! And today we alive for 3 times straight. Bye bye guys.